heard that breathing earlier. I'm telling you guys, it was super loud. I mean, I had been watching a video on YouTube. You know, I watch a lot of apocalyptic, post-apocalyptic videos. And I usually listen to it loud enough to where, you know, I can hear it and not hear anything over that. I don't know if you can see that print. But anyway, and I was sitting there thinking, what is that noise I am hearing over and above my video? Hang on. Anyway, and so I came out, still heard it. That's just crazy. Then it stopped. But something I noticed right behind the house is a stack of branches that we didn't stack. And it's new. I mean, it's a stack. It's not just branches thrown around. I'm out by myself today because Robert's helping a neighbor. Not a real close neighbor. He's another road over. Well, across the street, across the road, the field, the woods, a hill. There he is. Anyway, and so I get to come out by myself. Guys, I don't remember seeing that big tree down. That's crazy. I don't even think that tree's dead. But anyway, I wanted to come out and walk a while, and I was waiting on Robert, but he's still busy. Anyway, I grew up with the guy he's helping. Went to school with him, grew up with him. We always lived out here. He's a good guy. Listen to them pretty birds. I love birds singing. You guys, vape, not cigarettes. You know, I quit once. After smoking since I was a kid. I quit once a few years back after we moved here. And I quit for 2 years. I can't whistle. Anyway, but I quit for 2 years and gained 100 pounds. And the one thing I enjoyed so much, which was hiking, was too hard to do with 100 extra pounds. So I basically quit quitting and started smoking again and lost that 100 pounds. When I quit, I guess things that didn't taste so good before Tasted really good. And that would be why I gained the weight. I have my gym shoes on today, so I won't be in the woods. I don't want to be in there getting bit. But I can't really see with this phone across the field. You guys, I have a Nikon, but I can't record with it without it, because I can't afford the batteries for one. Dang. It gives you 5 minutes of recording and just kills your battery. And it's not really the Nikon that I wanted. I just got it at a pawn shop. The one I had bought my daughter, and it was just a wonderful Nikon. You guys, there's that structure back here behind the house that I was telling you about. And by that structure was a Dogman print. So, I don't know if you can really see that. It's in the woods, which I'm not going to go there. But it's like right off the trail. And I don't know if you can, let me see if I can zoom out so you can see. I don't know if you can see that tree. That there's like 2 or 3 trees bent over and lodged in that other tree. Isn't that cool? Okay. Well, because I'll have a hell of a time uploading this, I'm going to stop it now and probably head back to the house. I just really love getting out into the woods, not really leaving home, but, you know, I love walking, hiking. My mom was 3/4 Cherokee, and my great-grandpa was a Indian chief, Cherokee Indian chief in Tennessee. And I'm thinking heritage is why I love hiking so much, you know. Ooh, that looks like a, let me see. That looks like a den, guys, underneath that. It probably is. But anyway, I think my heritage has a lot to do with why I love being in the woods. I normally wear boots, and I wish I had this time. But those boots just are heavy, and I wanted to enjoy it, the walking. Can you guys, I don't know if you can, there's my foot next to, oh, you probably can't see it from my stupid shadow. Anyway, there's a print there. Alright, guys. Well, I love y'all and thank you for, sticking with me through all this and my ignorance in videotaping. I'm a writer, not a filmmaker. But there's the trail we just went down and came back up. Yep. I'm seeing all kinds of prints up here. It's crazy. I'm gonna walk down the other trail here to the house. But anyway, guys, I'm going to stop this because, like I said, I'll have a hell of a time uploading it. And I appreciate all of you guys. I want you to know that. Peace out.